Every bottle of tomato ketchup begins in vast tomato farms. Only fully ripened tomatoes are selected for processing.
Quality inspection ensures ideal color and sugar content. Only the best tomatoes move forward.
Modern harvesting machines collect thousands of kilograms per hour. Automated sorting begins immediately in the field. The tomatoes are collected carefully to minimize damage. Freshness is preserved for processing.
Fresh tomatoes are transported directly to the factory. Speed helps preserve flavor and quality.
Each shipment undergoes strict quality inspection. Only approved loads enter production.
Automated unloading handles massive volumes efficiently. The processing journey officially begins. Industrial washing systems remove soil and debris. Cleanliness is essential for food safety.
Powerful sprays ensure complete cleaning. Every tomato surface is thoroughly rinsed. Optical sorting systems inspect every tomato. Defective produce is removed automatically. Only approved tomatoes continue to processing. The production line operates continuously.
The tomatoes are crushed into a uniform pulp. This increases extraction efficiency.
The crushed mixture is transferred immediately. Rapid processing helps preserve freshness.
Specialized pulpers remove seeds and skins. Only smooth tomato pulp is retained.
Multiple filtration stages improve texture. The pulp becomes increasingly smooth.
Controlled heating prepares the pulp. This step improves processing efficiency. Vacuum evaporation concentrates tomato solids. The flavor becomes richer. The pulp transforms into concentrated paste. Consistency becomes significantly thicker. The concentrated paste is transferred hygienically. Preparation for recipe formulation begins. Precise ingredient measurement ensures consistency. Every batch follows an exact recipe. The concentrated tomato paste enters the blending system. Additional ingredients are added according to a precise recipe. Sugar is carefully added to balance acidity. Automated systems ensure exact dosing accuracy. Vinegar provides the characteristic ketchup tang. Precise control maintains flavor consistency.
Salt enhances flavor and supports preservation. Every ingredient is measured with precision.
Special spices contribute aroma and depth. The exact blend defines the final taste. High-speed agitators ensure complete ingredient distribution. The recipe begins transforming into ketchup. Continuous mixing eliminates ingredient separation. A consistent texture is essential for quality. The batch successfully meets quality requirements. Production moves to the cooking stage. The approved mixture advances to industrial cooking. This stage develops the final ketchup characteristics. The blended ingredients now enter industrial cooking kettles. Carefully controlled heating develops flavor and texture. Steam jackets provide even heating throughout the batch. Precise temperature control prevents flavor loss.
Constant agitation prevents burning and uneven cooking. The mixture becomes increasingly uniform.
As moisture evaporates, viscosity increases. The ketchup develops its signature body.
Heat allows flavors to combine perfectly. The ketchup develops its distinctive taste.
Operators continuously monitor process parameters. Precision ensures consistent product quality. Samples are collected throughout production. Regular testing maintains strict standards.
Every batch undergoes scientific analysis. Consistency is verified before production continues. The batch meets all quality specifications. Production can safely continue.
The cooking stage is now complete. The ketchup is ready for advanced texture refinement.
The cooked ketchup now enters the homogenization system. This process creates a smoother and more uniform texture.
Extreme pressure breaks down remaining particles. The ketchup becomes exceptionally smooth.
Homogenization improves mouthfeel and appearance. Uniform texture is essential for premium ketchup.
Fine particles are evenly dispersed throughout the batch. This ensures consistency in every bottle. The process is complete. The ketchup now has its final texture. Pasteurization enhances food safety and shelf life. The product is heated under controlled conditions. Controlled heat eliminates harmful microorganisms. The product remains safe and stable.
Every second of the process is recorded. Strict food safety standards are maintained.
The ketchup is rapidly cooled to preserve quality. Controlled cooling protects flavor and color. The finished ketchup is stored in sterile tanks. It is now ready for the packaging process. Food-grade PET resin is used to manufacture ketchup bottles. Every packaging material undergoes strict inspection.
The dried resin is molded into bottle preforms. These preforms are the foundation of every ketchup bottle.
Automated inspection identifies any imperfections. Only flawless preforms continue. Preforms are reheated to their forming temperature. This prepares them for bottle shaping. Compressed air expands each preform into its final shape. Thousands of bottles are produced every hour. The bottles have reached their final form. Uniform dimensions ensure reliable filling. Cooling stabilizes the bottle structure. The containers are prepared for inspection.
Every bottle is checked for dimensional accuracy. Quality packaging protects the product.
The bottles are now ready for filling. The packaging process is about to begin.
The filling line prepares for high-speed operation. Precision equipment ensures accurate filling. The finished ketchup is transferred into bottles. Automated systems maintain perfect hygiene.
Volumetric fillers ensure identical product volumes. Every bottle receives the exact amount of ketchup.
Automated cameras verify fill accuracy. Any underfilled or overfilled bottle is rejected. Caps are automatically sorted and aligned. This prepares them for high-speed sealing.
Each bottle is securely sealed. A proper seal protects freshness and quality.
Cap torque is measured for every production run. Proper sealing prevents leakage and contamination.
Leak testing confirms package integrity. Only perfectly sealed bottles move forward. The bottles have successfully passed all packaging tests. They are now ready for labeling and final packaging. Labeling materials are prepared for high-speed application. Every bottle must carry accurate product information. Automated systems apply labels with pinpoint accuracy. Thousands of bottles can be labeled every hour. Vision systems verify label accuracy. Any misaligned bottle is automatically removed. Each bottle receives traceability information. This allows complete production tracking. Barcode verification ensures retail compatibility. Every package remains fully traceable. Check the alignment on bottle 402.
It's within tolerance. The AI flagged it, but it's acceptable.
Automated systems organize bottles into retail packs. This improves handling and distribution efficiency. Protective wrapping secures the bottle groups. The packs are stabilized for transport. Robotic systems load products into shipping cartons. This increases speed and consistency. The cartons are securely sealed for shipment. The packaging stage is now complete. Automated palletizing systems prepare products for shipment. Robotic precision ensures stable pallet loads. Stretch wrapping secures cartons during transport. The pallet becomes a stable shipping unit.
Finished products are transferred to the distribution warehouse. Inventory is organized for rapid dispatch.
Every pallet is digitally tracked. Inventory systems provide complete product traceability.
Ensure the premium ketchup arrives before the weekend rush. I've optimized the routes to bypass the Denver bottleneck. They should hit the retailers on schedule.
Finished ketchup is loaded for distribution. Each truck carries thousands of bottles. The finished product begins its journey to consumers. Efficient logistics connect factory and market. The ketchup arrives at retail destinations. Store inventories are replenished daily. The finished ketchup is now available to consumers. Months of farming and manufacturing lead to this moment. From sun-ripened tomatoes to perfectly crafted ketchup, modern technology transforms nature's harvest into a product enjoyed around the world.